Hello friends, this is Monali. Today we will see simple past tense Hindi to English with 200 examples. Learn how to form a sentence in simple past tense. Subject plus second verb plus object plus additional info. तो चलिए हम अब एग्जाम्पल्स देखते हैं। मुझे फिल्म पसंद आई। I like the film. I like the film. हमने सारा पैसा खर्च कर दिया। We spent all the money. We spent all the money. उसने संगीत सुना। She listened to music. She listened to music. मैं घर से सुबह 8 बजे निकला। I left from home at 8 a.m. I left from home at 8 a.m. मैं लाइट बंद करना भूल गया। I forgot to switch off the light. I forgot to switch off the light. उसने पीछे रहना चुना। She chose to stay back. She chose to stay back. हमने एक दूसरे को खत लिखे। We wrote letters to each other. We wrote letters to each other. उसने रजत पदक जीता। He won the silver medal. He won the silver medal. उन्होंने कुछ नहीं खोया। They lost nothing. They lost nothing. मैंने उससे बहुत कुछ सीखा। I learned a lot from him. I learned a lot from him. बाद में उसे अपने फैसले पर पछतावा हुआ। He regretted his decision later. He regretted his decision later. उन्होंने मुझे बधाई दी। They congratulated me. They congratulated me. वह उसे बहुत जल्द भूल गई। She forgot him very soon. She forgot him very soon. उसने उन्हें मना लिया। He persuaded them. He persuaded them. मैं कल जल्दी सोने गया। I went to bed early yesterday. I went to bed early yesterday. वह बाइक से गिर गया। He fell off the bike. He fell off the bike. उसका एक्सीडेंट हुआ। She met with an accident. She met with an accident. उसने बहुत पानी पी लिया। He drank a lot of water. He drank a lot of water. हमारे परिवार एक दूसरे को जानते थे। Our families knew each other. Our families knew each other. वह कोलकाता में बड़ा हुआ। He grew up in Kolkata. He grew up in Kolkata. उन्होंने खेल सामग्री का निर्माण किया। They manufactured sports gear. They manufactured sports gear. शोले फिल्म का निर्देशन रमेश सिप्पी ने किया। रमेश सिप्पी directed शोले movie. रमेश सिप्पी directed शोले movie. एडिसन ने विद्युत बल्ब का आविष्कार 1879 में किया। एडिसन invented electric bulb in 1879. Edison invented electric bulb in 1879. उन्होंने मैकडॉनल्ड्स में काम किया। He worked at McDonald's. He worked at McDonald's. कोलंबस ने अमेरिका की खोज की। Columbus discovered America. Columbus discovered America. भारत पहले प्रयास में ही मंगल पे उतरा। India landed on Mars in first attempt. India landed on Mars in first attempt. टीवी दुकान में अच्छा चला। TV worked well in the shop. TV worked well in the shop. घर में टीवी ने काम करना बंद कर दिया। TV stopped working at home. TV stopped working at home. हम एक बार वहां गए। We went there once. We went there once. मैं अपनी पत्नी से 1983 में मिला। I met my wife in 1983. I met my wife in 1983. हम अपनी छुट्टियों के लिए स्पेन गए। We went to Spain for our holidays. We went to Spain for our holidays. वे कल काफी देर रात घर आए। They came home very late last night. They came home very late last night. उन्होंने पिछले महीने एक नई कार खरीदी। They bought a new car last month. They bought a new car last month. मैं 10 साल तक विदेश में रहा। I lived abroad for 10 years. I lived abroad for 10 years. हमने 30 मिनट तक फोन पर बात की। We talked on the phone for 30 minutes. We talked on the phone for 30 minutes. उस दिन मेरा धैर्य खत्म हो गया। My patience got over that day. My patience got over that day. उसने ऐसा बार बार किया. She did like this again and again. She did like this again and again. आपने अच्छा काम किया. You did a good job. You did a good job. टाटा ने 2008 में JLR को खरीद लिया. Tata took over JLR in 2008. Tata took over JLR in 2008. उसने इसे फेसबुक पर पोस्ट किया. He posted it on Facebook. He posted it on Facebook. मैंने 2009 में फेसबुक पर अपना प्रोफाइल बनाया. I created my profile on Facebook in 2009. I created my profile on Facebook in 2009. हमने कभी इसकी कल्पना नहीं की. We never imagined this. We never imagined this. यह मेरे दिमाग में कभी नहीं आया. It never came to my mind. It never came to my mind. वह यह कभी नहीं जानती थी. She never knew it. She never knew it. कोर्ट ने उसे जमानत दे दी. Court gave him bail. Court gave him bail. 1 घंटे पहले बारिश बंद हो गई. The rain stopped an hour ago. The rain stopped an hour ago. आप हमेशा सुरक्षित खेलें. You always played safe. You always played safe. उसने हमेशा जोखिम उठाया. He always took risk. He always took risk. वह जुए में अपना सारा पैसा हार गया. He lost all his money in gambling. He lost all his money in gambling. उस घटना के बाद उसने उम्मीद खो दी. He lost hope after that event. He lost hope after that event. उनकी सास को चाय पसंद थी. His mother-in-law liked tea. His mother-in-law liked tea. मैंने अपने बाल कटवाए. I got my hair cut. I got my hair cut. वह ठंडा हो गया. He cooled down. He cooled down. उसे एक फोन आया। She got a phone call. She got a phone call. वे 1 साल तक हमें फोन करते रहे। They kept calling us for a year. They kept calling us for a year. उन्होंने एक छात्र होने का आनंद लिया। He enjoyed being a student. He enjoyed being a student. कल बारिश हुई। It rained yesterday. It rained yesterday. मुकेश अंबानी दुनिया के 5वें सबसे अमीर व्यक्ति बन गए। मुकेश अंबानी became 5th richest person in the world. मुकेश अंबानी became 5th richest person in the world. जब वह छोटी थी तो उसने बहुत टेनिस खेला। She played a lot of tennis when she was younger. She played a lot of tennis when she was younger. जब मैं एक छोटा लड़का था, मैं रोज 1 मील पैदल चलकर स्कूल जाता था। When I was a little boy, I walked a mile to school every day. When I was a little boy, I walked a mile to school every day. जब हम छुट्टी पर थे, तब हम खूब तैरे। We swam a lot while we were on holiday. We swam a lot while we were on holiday. उन्हें हमेशा अपने दोस्तों से मिलने में मजा आया। They always enjoyed visiting their friends. They always enjoyed visiting their friends. क्या उन्होंने आपका पीछा किया? Did they follow you? Did they follow you? क्या मैंने आपको चोट पहुंचाई? Did I hurt you? Did I hurt you? क्या सच में ऐसा हुआ? Did it really happen? Did it really happen? क्या आपने उन्हें फोन किया? Did you call them? Did you call them? क्या आपने मुझे पुकारा? Did you call me? Did you call me? क्या आपने पैसे निकाले? Did you withdraw money? Did you withdraw money? क्या तुम्हारी माताजी फिर से भूल गई? Did your mother again forget? Did your mother again forget? क्या आपने मेरा चार्जर देखा? Did you see my charger? Did you see my charger? क्या आप कल रात जल्दी सो गए? Did you sleep early last night? Did you sleep early last night? क्या आपने मेरे प्रस्ताव के बारे में सोचा? Did you think about my proposal? Did you think about my proposal? जब वह छोटी थी तो क्या वह टेनिस खेली? Did she play tennis when she was younger? Did she play tennis when she was younger? क्या आप इसके बारे में जानते थे? Did you know about it? Did you know about it? क्या कल रात तुमने खाना खाया? Did you have dinner last night? Did you have dinner last night? क्या उसने कोई अपराध किया? Did he committed any crime? Did he committed any crime? क्या आप विदेश में रहे? Did you live abroad? Did you live abroad? क्या तुम सब कुछ भूल गए? Did you forget everything? Did you forget everything? क्या वह समझ गई? Did she understand? Did she understand? उसने मेरे सवाल का जवाब दिया जब मैंने उसे $1 का भुगतान किया। She answered my question when I paid her $1. She answered my question when I paid her $1. उसमें मुझे कोई मतलब नहीं दिखा। It didn't make any sense to me. It didn't make any sense to me. वे इस साल स्पेन नहीं गए। They didn't go to Spain this year. They didn't go to Spain this year. बैंक ने उसका कर्ज मंजूर नहीं किया। Bank did not approve his loan. Bank did not approve his loan. मेरा मतलब यह नहीं था। I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. वो कल बैठक में शामिल नहीं हुआ। He did not attend the meeting yesterday. He did not attend the meeting yesterday. उन्होंने कोई दिलचस्पी नहीं दिखाई। They did not show any interest. They did not show any interest. हम कल देर रात तक घर नहीं पहुंचे। We didn't get home until very late last night. We didn't get home until very late last night. मैंने तुम्हें कल नहीं देखा। I didn't see you yesterday. I didn't see you yesterday. वह पहले टमाटर पसंद नहीं करता था। He didn't like tomatoes before. He didn't like tomatoes before. क्या आपने उनके साथ पार्टी नहीं की? Did you not party with them? Did you not party with them? क्या उसने अच्छा सहयोग नहीं किया? Did he not cooperate well? Did he not cooperate well? क्या उन्होंने आपको रिश्वत की पेशकश नहीं की? Did they not offer you a bribe? Did they not offer you a bribe? क्या मैंने तुम्हारी मदद करने की कोशिश नहीं की? Did I not try to help you? Did I not try to help you? क्या हम एक ही स्कूल में नहीं पढ़े? Did we not study in same school? Did we not study in same school? आपने इसे कल क्यों नहीं किया? Why didn't you do it yesterday? Why didn't you do it yesterday? आपको कब एहसास हुआ? When did you realize? When did you realize? आप अपनी पत्नी से कब मिले? When did you meet your wife? When did you meet your wife? आपने अंग्रेजी कब सीखी? When did you learn English? When did you learn English? आप वायुसेना में कब शामिल हुए? When did you join the Air Force? When did you join the Air Force? आपने लंदन में किस कॉलेज में पढ़ाई की? Which college did you attend in London? Which college did you attend in London? आप अपनी छुट्टियों के लिए कहाँ गए? Where did you go for your holidays? Where did you go for your holidays? पेनिसिलिन की खोज किसने की? Who discovered penicillin? Who discovered penicillin? आपने यह पुस्तक कहाँ से खरीदी? Where did you buy this book? Where did you buy this book? रामायण किसने लिखी? Who wrote रामायण? Who wrote रामायण? आपने ऐसा क्यों सोचा? Why did you think so? Why did you think so? तुमने इसे मुझसे क्यों छिपाया? Why did you hide it from me? Why did you hide it from me? आपने पुलिस को सूचित क्यों नहीं किया? Why didn't you inform the police? Why didn't you inform the police? आपको जन्मदिन पर क्या मिला? What did you get for your birthday? What did you get for your birthday? उसने क्या हासिल किया? What did she achieve? What did she achieve? ये कैसे हुआ? How did this happen? How did this happen? आपको क्या हुआ? What happened to you? What happened to you? मैंने गलत क्या किया? What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? तुम्हें कैसे पता नहीं चला? How come you didn't know? How come you didn't know? वह कैसे मरा? How did he die? How did he die? उन्हें इसके बारे में कैसे पता चला? How did they come to know about it? How did they come to know about it? आप कैसे असफल हुए? How did you fail? How did you fail? किसने चुराया मेरा बटुआ? Who stole my wallet? Who stole my wallet? यह किसने किया? Who did it? Who did it? खिड़की का शीशा किसने तोड़ा? Who broke the window glass? Who broke the window glass? तुमसे किसने कहा ये करने को? Who told you to do it? Who told you to do it? आपने किसको पैसा दिया? Whom did you give the money? Whom did you give the money? उन्होंने किसको मदद के लिए कॉल किया? Whom did they call for help? Whom did they call for help? किसके दोस्त ने बैंक को लूटा? Whose friend robbed the bank? Whose friend robbed the bank? किसके पिता ने बैंक में काम किया? Whose father worked in bank? Whose father worked in bank? आपने कब तक उनकी प्रतीक्षा की? How long did you wait for them? How long did you wait for them? आपने उसे अकेले जाने क्यों दिया? Why did you let her go alone? Why did you let her go alone? मैंने इसकी कोशिश क्यों नहीं की? Why didn't I try it? Why didn't I try it? उसने यह कैसे किया? How did she do it? How did she do it? इसके बारे में और कौन जानता था? Who else knew about it? Who else knew about it? आपने अपना पिछला जन्मदिन कहाँ मनाया? Where did you celebrate your last birthday? Where did you celebrate your last birthday? मैंने अपना चश्मा कहाँ रखा? Where did I put my glasses? Where did I put my glasses? For practice. हमारी आने वाली स्लाइड्स में हमने एग्जाम्पल सेंटेंसेस दिए हैं जिससे आप खुद सेंटेंसेस बना सकते हैं। मैंने कॉफी पी। I drank coffee. I drank coffee. मैंने कॉफी पी क्या? Did I drink coffee? Did I drink coffee? मैंने कॉफी नहीं पी। I did not drink coffee. I did not drink coffee. मैंने कॉफी नहीं पी क्या? Did I not drink coffee? Did I not drink coffee? हमने कॉफी पी। We drank coffee. We drank coffee. हमने कॉफी पी क्या? Did we drink coffee? Did we drink coffee? हमने कॉफी नहीं पी। We did not drink coffee. We did not drink coffee. हमने कॉफी नहीं पी क्या? Did we not drink coffee? Did we not drink coffee? तुमने कॉफी पी। You drank coffee. तुमने कॉफी पी क्या? Did you drink coffee? Did you drink coffee? तुमने कॉफी नहीं पी। You did not drink coffee. You did not drink coffee. तुमने कॉफी नहीं पी क्या? Did you not drink coffee? Did you not drink coffee? उसने कॉफी पी। He drank coffee. He drank coffee. उसने कॉफी पी क्या? Did he drink coffee? Did he drink coffee? उसने कॉफी नहीं पी। He did not drink coffee. He did not drink coffee. उसने कॉफी नहीं पी क्या? Did he not drink coffee? Did he not drink coffee? उसने कॉफी पी। She drank coffee. She drank coffee. उसने कॉफी पी क्या? Did she drink coffee? Did she drink coffee? उसने कॉफी नहीं पी. She did not drink coffee. She did not drink coffee. उसने कॉफी नहीं पी क्या? Did she not drink coffee? Did she not drink coffee? उन्होंने कॉफी पी. They drank coffee. They drank coffee. उन्होंने कॉफी पी क्या? Did they drink coffee? Did they drink coffee? उन्होंने कॉफी नहीं पी. They did not drink coffee. They did not drink coffee. उन्होंने कॉफी नहीं पी क्या? Did they not drink coffee? Did they not drink coffee? Test your past simple tense. हमारी इन नेक्स्ट स्लाइड्स में आप अपने ज्ञान को जांच सकते हैं. तो चलिए देखते हैं. मैंने आइसक्रीम खाई. I ate ice cream. I ate ice cream. उसने अपने घर का पेंट किया. He painted his house. He painted his house. उसने केक बनाया. She made cake. She made cake. उन्होंने एक लॉटरी जीती. They won a lottery. They won a lottery. यह पूरी रात नहीं भौंका. It did not bark whole night. It did not bark whole night. हमने एक नया व्यवसाय खोला. We opened a new business. We opened a new business. आपने मोबाइल पर गेम खेले. You played games on mobile. You played games on mobile. उसने भेल और पानी पूरी खाई. She ate bhel and pani puri. She ate bhel and pani puri. कुछ नहीं हुआ. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. हम कोशिश करते रहे. We kept trying. We kept trying. मैंने तुम्हें कल बाजार में देखा. I saw you yesterday in market. I saw you yesterday in market. कल बारिश हुई. It rained yesterday. It rained yesterday. उसने अंग्रेजी नहीं बोली। He didn't speak English. He didn't speak English. उसके पास समय नहीं था। She didn't have time. She didn't have time. हमें पता चला। We came to know. We came to know. उसने उन्हें चेतावनी दी। He warned them. He warned them. क्या पुलिस ने उसको प्रताड़ित किया? Did police torture him? Did police torture him? क्या आपने उस पर भरोसा नहीं किया? Did you not trust him? Did you not trust him? कोरोना वायरस ने दुनिया को पंगु बना दिया। कोरोना वायरस paralyzed the world. कोरोना वायरस paralyzed the world. क्या आपकी सासू माँ ने दवाई ली? Did your mother-in-law take medicine? Did your mother-in-law take medicine? क्या आप कल डॉक्टर के पास नहीं गए? Did you not go to doctor yesterday? Did you not go to doctor yesterday? किसने वादा तोड़ा? Who broke the promise? Who broke the promise? आपने मेरी नई घड़ी देखी क्या? Did you see my new watch? Did you see my new watch? आप सब कुछ कैसे भूल गए? How did you forget everything? How did you forget everything? मैंने अपना चेकअप कराया। I got myself checked up. I got myself checked up. वो डिलीट हो गया। It got deleted. It got deleted. वो कंफ्यूज हो गई। She got confused. She got confused. आपने कब खरीदा? When did you buy? When did you buy? क्या आपके माता पिता ने आपको यह नहीं सिखाया? Did your parents not teach you this? Did your parents not teach you this? आपने दरवाजा बंद नहीं किया। You didn't close the door. You didn't close the door. मैंने कुछ मिस नहीं किया। I did not miss anything. I did not miss anything. क्या आपके दोस्त के दोस्त ने आपको फोन किया? Did your friend's friend call you? Did your friend's friend call you? क्या आपने अपने पड़ोसियों को सूचित किया? Did you inform your neighbors? Did you inform your neighbors? क्या आपने अपने घर का बीमा कराया? Did you insure your house? Did you insure your house? क्या आपके भाई ने आज अपनी कार धोई? Did your brother wash his car today? Did your brother wash his car today? आपने पिछली बार कब कोशिश की? When did you try last time? When did you try last time? रामानुजन एक महान गणितज्ञ के रूप में प्रसिद्ध हुए। Ramanujan became famous as a great mathematician. Ramanujan became famous as a great mathematician. हिटलर ने बंकर में आत्महत्या कर ली। Hitler committed suicide in a bunker. Hitler committed suicide in a bunker. आप डिनर के लिए कहाँ गए? Where did you go for dinner? Where did you go for dinner? आपके करीबी रिश्तेदार शादी में शामिल क्यों नहीं हुए? Why your close relatives didn't attend the wedding? Why your close relatives didn't attend the wedding? कल रात हमें अच्छी नींद नहीं आई। We didn't sleep well last night. We didn't sleep well last night. ऐसा इस तरीके से नहीं हुआ. It didn't happen this way. It didn't happen this way. बच्चे संग्रहालय जाना चाहते थे. Children wanted to go to the museum. Children wanted to go to the museum. क्या आपको डॉक्टर की आवश्यकता पड़ी? Did you need a doctor? Did you need a doctor? एंजेला पूरी रात टीवी देखती रही. Angela watched TV all night. Angela watched TV all night. कल रात मैंने अपने गिटार को जोर से बजाया और पड़ोसियों ने शिकायत की. Last night I played my guitar loudly and the neighbors complained. Last night I played my guitar loudly and the neighbors complained. तुम मेरी पार्टी में क्यों नहीं आए? Why didn't you come to my party? Why didn't you come to my party? दोस्तों, अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक, कमेंट और शेयर ज़रूर करें. अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें ताकि हमारे आने वाली वीडियो का आपको पता चल सके और साथ ही बेल आइकॉन को दबाइए. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब.